Good morning, dear students. Now we will discuss about fundamentals concept of Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is a convenient and systematic way of expressing and analyzing the operation of logical circuits and digital system. Once again, Boolean algebra is a convenient and systematic way of expressing and analyzing the operation of logic circuits and digital system. It is developed by an English mathematician. The name is George Boole. Next, fundamental concepts of Boolean algebra. First one is use the binary digit. Boolean equation can have either of two possible values, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is. Second one is logical addition. Logical addition in the sense ORing. Okay, na? OR gate. Symbol plus, also known as OR operator, used for logical addition. Follow law of binary addition. Third one is logical multiplication. Symbol is dot operator, also known as AND operator, used to logical multiplication. Fourth one is complementation. Symbol bar or hyphen, also known as NOT operator, used for complementation. Operator precedence. First point is each operator has a precedence level. Second one, higher the operator's precedence level, earlier it's evaluated. Next point, expression is scanned from left to right. Next one, first expression enclosed within parentheses are evaluated. Next point, then all complement NOT operations are performed. Then all AND operations are performed. Finally, all OR operator are performed. Next heading is Boolean functions. A Boolean function is an expression performed with binary variables, operators, parentheses and equal sign. The value of a Boolean function can be either 0 or 1. A Boolean function may be presented as an algebraic expression or a truth table. Example, f equals to x plus y bar z, n equals to 2 to the power of n, where n equals to number of possible input combinations, small n number of input variables. Okay, the below truth table shows there are three variables x, y, z. Second one is, next column is y bar z, x plus y bar z, the combinations of the given example. There are three variables in that truth table x, y, z. First one is 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, again 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Z1 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It's a unit, 10th place and 100th place. Okay, na? Logical diagram shows first there are three variables x, y, z. First x value ending, sorry, r x, that is the r symbol. Next one is y naught, as not a complement is there, y naught and z. Okay, now this is the and symbol, that is the r symbol. We have to draw the expression. Cumulative laws. The cumulative law of addition for two variables is expressed as, cumulative law in the sense addition for two variables is expressed as a plus b equals to b plus a. That is cumulative law. This law states the order in which the variable are ordered marks are no differences. Or plus in the sense or operator. Proof: A and B are the two inputs, A plus B and B plus A, that is the two outputs. A, B is 0 1 0 1 to the power of 2s, again 0 0 1 1. A plus B, we are addition 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. A plus B is the output is 0 1 1. B plus A is same output, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1. That is the cumulative frequency truth table. Again continue this. The cumulative law of multiplication of two variables is expressed as A into B equals to B into A. This is the commutative law. This law states the order in which the variable are and makes no differences. Proof: the truth table shows there are two variables A and B and the output is AB and BA. We multiplied by A and B variables. Okay, na? 0 1 0 1, again 0 0 1 1. You have to multiply by both variables. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. The both outputs are equal. Second one is associative law. The associative law of addition is expressed as follows for three variables. Associative law of addition is expressed as follows for three variables: A plus open bracket B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. This law states the or operator more than two variables, the result is the same regardless of the grouping of the variables. The below table shows there are three variables A, B, C, 2 to the power of 3 values equals to 8 values. First one is we have to group the variables A plus B, B plus C, and we have multiplied by A plus B plus C and A plus B and C. Okay, na? First A plus B, we have to add three variables: 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1 0. Okay, na? We have to getting the output for all those things. After that we have to add the A, single A, again you have to getting the B plus C, and next output column is A plus B plus C. A plus B already got the answer and we have to add the C value. This is the output of the associative law. Continue. The associative law of multiplication is expressed as follows: the three variables A into B into C equals to AB into C. This law states the when ANDing more than two variables, the result is the same regardless of the grouping of variables. Already discussed about addition of the associative law. Same, you have to convert it into multiplication. The table will be shows an output. Distributive law. The distributive law for three variables is expressed as A into B plus C equals to AB plus AC. Okay, na? Or another one is A plus B into C equals to A plus B into A plus C. This is the distributive law. The below table shows there are three variables A, B, C. Again we divided into A into B is A into C, again A multiplied by B plus C and AB plus AC. You have to same situation, we have to calculate that the above function, the output is same A into B plus C and AB plus AC. This is the distributive law concept. De Morgan's theorem. Theorem 1. The complement of a product of variable is equal to the sum of the individual complement of the variable. Wait, the complement of the product of variables is equal to the sum of the individual complement of variable. The theorem is a into b whole complement equals to a bar plus b bar. There are two variables a and b. The formula is a into b whole bar a bar plus b bar. B values is 0 1 0 1, a is 0 0 1 1. The below the above table shows a into 0 into 0 0, the inverse is 1. 0 into 1 0, V inverse is 1. 1 into 0 0, V inverse is 1. 1 into 1 1, inverse is 0. Same the equal to the second column. Theorem 2. The complement of a sum of variables is equal to the product of individual complements of the variables. Okay. The theorem 2 is a plus b whole bar equals to a bar into b bar. Okay. There are two variables. The below table shows 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. A plus b whole bar equals to 0 plus 0 0. V inverse is 1. 0 plus 1 1, inverse is 0. 1 plus 0 0. 1, inverse is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, inverse 0. The same as the a bar plus a bar into b bar. Output is same. Thank you. Ask some questions. The cumulative law of Boolean addition state that a plus b equals to a into b. Condition is true or false. The correct answer is false. Second question. Algebra of logic is termed as first one is numerical logic, second one is Boolean logic, third one is arithmetic logic, fourth one is Boolean number. The correct answer is Boolean algebra. Third question. Which among the below stated Boolean expression do not obey De Morgan's theorem? ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ a plus b whole bar equals to a bar into b bar. Second one, a into b whole bar equals to a bar plus b bar. Third one is ab equals to a into b whole bar. None of the above. Answer C. A into b equals to a bar, a into b whole bar. That is the wrong De Morgan's theorem. Thank you students.